Good day everyone! Ngayon pag-aralan natin yung addition and multiplication of polynomials. Okay po? So unahin mo natin yung addition. So meron tayong addition and then multiplication. So magkaiba po ang rules kapag ina-add natin. Okay, x plus x. So ang gagawin natin, hindi natin titingnan yung exponent. Titingnan natin yung numerical coefficient ng kasama ng x. Understood na ang kasama ng x ay 1. So 1 plus 1, the answer is 2, and then copy natin yung x. Next, 4x plus 2x. So, 4 plus 2, the answer is 6. Then, copy natin yung x. Next, example number 3. 5x squared plus 3x squared. So, add natin yung 5 at saka 3. The answer is 8. Then, copy natin yung x squared. So, the answer is 8x squared. Next example, number 4. Negative 7x squared plus 4x squared. Alam natin na pag magkaiba ang sign ng number, subtract natin. Then, copy natin yung sign ng malaking number. So, ang number natin na malaki is 7. So, the answer is negative 3. Okay? So, negative 3x squared. Next, magkaiba ang exponent ng x. 4 ang isa, yung isa ay 2. So, kapag magkaiba ang exponent, hindi natin sila pwede mapag-add. Copy na lang natin. So, x raised to 4 plus x squared. Di pwedeng mapag-add kapag magkaiba po ang exponent. Next, proceed tayo sa multiplication. So, sa multiplication naman, ang ina-add natin, hindi yung numerical coefficient. Ang ina-add natin ay yung exponent. So, x plus x, the answer is x squared. Kasi ina-add natin yung exponent na 1. Understood na exponent ng x ay 1. So, 1 plus 1, the answer is 2. So, x squared. Next, 4 times 2, the answer is 8. Then, x plus x, add natin yung exponent. Add natin yung exponent ng x. So, 1 plus 1, the answer is 2. So, the answer is 8x squared. Okay, next, number 3. 5x squared times 3x squared. So, multiply natin yung 5 sa 3, the answer is 15. Then, x squared times x squared. So, add natin yung exponent ng dalawang x. So, 2 plus 2, the answer is 4. So, the answer is 15x raised to 4. Next, let's proceed to example number 4. Negative 7x squared times 4x squared. So, alam natin kapag magkaibang sign ng number, kapag multiply natin, the answer is negative. So, negative 7 times positive 4, the answer is negative 28. So, add natin ang exponent ng dalawa. So, x raised to 4. So, negative 28, x raised to 4. Next example, last example, x raised to 4 times x squared. So, yung answer ninyo, pakilagay na lang po sa comment section. Okay po? Thank you and good luck.